Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Now Oyokwasi, and today we are diving into something extra special, Millet Banku. What a wholesome, slightly tangy dish it is. A great alternative to corn. Let's get cooking. 2 cups of millet flour, half cup of cassava dough, and some salt to taste and water. That's it. So you're going to mix this until you have a very smooth lump-free paste, not too thick, not too watery either. So set this in a pot over a fire. Medium heat should be okay, and you're going to keep stirring this to make sure that you have a lump-free banku. So keep stirring continuously in a circular and folding motion using your banku stick. As it heats up, it will start to thicken. Keep going, don't stop, or else it will form lumps and then at the bottom. So because it's a bit lighter than the usual corn banku, you want to add just a little bit of water to moisten and to steam the banku. Alright, so not too much, just a sprinkle of water, it's enough. And then you're going to scrape the sides into it and allow it to steam. About 5 minutes should be enough. You flip it over and keep stirring through. I remember back in the late 80s, my mom used to cook a lot of millet porridge. It was much later that I got to know that, corn was really expensive back then. And they will tell you that, there was hunger in Ghana. So that's why millet was more popular. And I remember not really liking it so much. But I don't know, after I made this banku, I was like, actually I was missing out on something, because wow, a millet has so many health benefits for us and our children. It's high in fiber, contains amazing list of minerals and vitamins, and we benefit so much from the fiber. If you suffer from constipation, trust me, you should be eating more millet. Add more millets to your diet. Once the millet is cooked, it takes on a translucent color, just like banku. You just know that it's ready. So you scoop this into balls and serve, or you can wrap it with the wache leaves and store it in a warm container or in a warmer, and you can enjoy it over a period of time. Or you can even save it in your fridge or store it in your fridge and warm it over a steamer, and trust me, you're ready to go. And here's the final result. Soft, slightly tangy millet banku ready to enjoy. It pairs beautifully with this red fish or with okra soup. Any of the soups, any of the traditional soups we have, it's delicious. And I'm not even playing. I think I ate everything within less than 10 minutes. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a recipe. And do let me know in the comment section whether you've tried millet banku before, or do you prefer the traditional corn version. Let's chat. Bye guys.